Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you can sign into your Google account. This avoids lockouts later. Once signed in, go to Security and choose two-step verification, then click Get Started. Make sure your primary phone is nearby and prepare at least one backup method, an authenticator app, backup phone number, or security key, because you will need to verify immediately. This step prevents losing account access and sets the stronger baseline for all subsequent steps. Now you choose and confirm your primary verification method. Pick Google Prompt for convenience or an authenticator app for stronger offline codes. If you use an app, scan the QR code and enter the 6-digit code it generates to confirm. This ties the device to your account. Once confirmed, add a security key or a backup phone number so you have alternatives if the main device is lost. Doing this reduces risk of getting locked out and keeps recovery options. Finish by downloading or writing down backup codes and storing them offline, because these are your last resort access. Once done, sign out and test logging in from another device so you confirm everything works as expected. This validates prompts, SMS, or authenticator codes. If you run into problems, use a backup code or your recovery email. If those fail, start Google's account recovery flow and provide recent account activity details. This helps verify ownership and restore access without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.